The Inovus i88 comes with an accompaniment feature that helps you learn rhythm, timing, and improvisation. Using this feature, you can change the key of a backing track with your left hand while playing melodies with your right hand. Pressing the chord button activates the feature, and you can use it with or without the backing rhythm track. Using the chord feature without a backing rhythm track allows you to layer rich orchestral strings with as little as one finger. To use the auto accompaniment feature with a rhythm track, first select your backing rhythm track from one of the 100 built-in choices. Press the chord button to activate the feature, then hold the start button for 2 seconds to put the accompaniment on standby until you're ready to begin playing. You can change the key of the rhythm using the keys on the left side of the keyboard. Here we play a C major chord and then transition to a C minor. You can hear how the accompanying rhythm reacts to the changes. You can have fun by adding intros and outros and autofills along with your playing. The auto accompaniment system included with the Inovus i88 is a great way to learn timing and rhythm and have fun improvising.